If you send a lot of emails from Gmail, adding a signature is one of the easiest ways to make your messages look more professional and save time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a signature in Gmail step by step so you can include your name, job title, company, phone number, website, or anything else you want at the end of your emails. This works great for personal accounts, business accounts, and anyone who wants a clean, consistent email footer. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. After you're in your inbox, look at the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. This opens the quick settings panel. From there, click see all settings so you can access the full Gmail settings menu. On the General tab, scroll down until you find the Signature section. This is where Gmail lets you create and manage your email signatures. Now click Create New. Gmail will ask you to give your signature a name, so type something simple and easy to recognize, like personal, work, or business signature, then click Create. Once your new signature is created, you'll see a box where you can type or paste your signature text. This is where you can add your full name, your role, your company name, contact details, website, social media links, or even a short professional quote if you want. You can also format the text using bold, different fonts, or colors so it matches your style or brand. If you want, you can also add an image or logo to make it look more polished. After your signature is ready, scroll a little lower and choose when you want Gmail to use it. You can set it as the default signature for new emails, and you can also assign it for replies and forwards if needed. This is a really important step because it makes sure your signature shows up automatically whenever you send email. If you have more than one signature, Gmail also lets you switch between them depending on the message you're sending. Once everything looks good, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. That's the step that locks in your signature so it starts working in Gmail. To test it, go back to your inbox and click Compose. You should now see your signature appear automatically in the new message window. If it does, you've done it correctly. If you don't see it right away, go back into settings and double check that the signature is selected for new emails. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature in Gmail. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in how your emails look and feel. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy how-to video.